Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would share with you guys a few of the tips and tricks I use to clean up my eyebrows. I am not the type of person that goes and gets her eyebrows done regularly. That's just not me. It's never been me. I would love to be that person, but I'm just not that put together, I guess. So I pretty much have always done my eyebrows and cleaned up my eyebrows. Every once in a while when they get like out of hand, I go and get them done. But in general, it's mostly just me doing them. Let me put on some lip gloss. So yeah, if you guys are interested in learning how to clean up your eyebrows by yourself or just maintain them while we're in this crazy unknown time, please keep watching because I did these bad boys and they don't look too bad. All right, let's get started, you guys. I'm going to brush all of this hair up, and I'm going to do this one on camera just because this is like my good eyebrow, I guess you could say. And so I feel like that's probably the easiest one to start with. All right, so I have my eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to pencil in how I would normally pencil in my brows. So feather-like strokes. I like to draw like a line at the bottom, but not a harsh line, just like a very light line, just so I can see the general shape of my eyebrow. Gives you a little bit more to work with. And then once I have like the desired shape that I want, I'm gonna brush it down. And kind of fill in the top so it's not sparse. And then in the front, I just do very, very light. I think the term that everybody uses is feather-like. I don't like my front to be too boxy or anything, so I'm just gonna brush them up. So the first thing I like to do is trim my eyebrows. So I have my scissors here, and then I would cut them usually probably right there, but I'm gonna go a little bit above so that I don't cut too much off. And if you guys notice me squinting, it's because I'm blind and doing my eyebrows without my glasses on is the struggle. But that looks pretty good to trim them. Just brush them up. And brush them up. Perfect. All right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the brow gel in here just because I wanna know where they're gonna sit when I trim them. Or when I pluck them. Normally I would shave them like with a little shaver, but I can't find it for some reason. I don't know where it went. All right, so I have my eyebrow plucker, and I'm just gonna follow and just kind of go under where I drew my line. And not go too close because it is so easy to over pluck your eyebrows. I don't have really good lighting right here, so I'm gonna see how this works. You can see under here, there's like a little bit of a hair, like a mess. So I'm gonna pluck those out. only going to where I drew my line.
That's the bottom.
And then I'm gonna go back in one more time and brush everything up again. Because that is my general shape. And I'm just gonna pluck around the top of my eyebrow. And that is it, you guys. That is how I clean up my brow during quarantine since we can't go get it waxed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys very much. Have a wonderful day.